Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn how to use health assessment in a simple and easy way. Health assessment is an important step for us to understand the patient's condition and provide the right care. Health assessment is the process of collecting information about a patient's health. It helps in understanding what the patient is feeling, what the problem might be, and what care or treatment is needed. So let's start a visit for this patient here and let's see how this works. Let's click on RX Right to start the visit. Here towards the left hand side at the top we can see view assessment option. Let's click on it. This is the health assessment option. This is the form which needs to be filled in order to fill the health assessment for the patient. Under appointment assessments and under filled assessments we will be able to see the previously filled assessment forms. Now if we click on show summary, we can view the summary of the previously added details. Here we have questionnaires. All the questions along with answers that were selected in the previous visits can be viewed. So let's close this. Now let's start the health assessment freshly. Let's click on fill now option. Here we have to enter the details carefully. Health assessment includes a few basic steps like asking about the patient's symptoms, checking medical history, other details, and we are recording all the details properly under the health assessment form. So let's enter the symptoms here first. After adding the details, we can click on next. We have to carefully read the options and then we can click on next. Like this, carefully we have to read all the questions and as per the patient's response we have to select the option here. As we can see, one by one we are filling. This has to be done with the patient's help. Now we can see a pop-up that says assessment has been successfully submitted. We can click on fill now if another response needs to be submitted. Here again we can see the filled assessment list. So we'll click on show response. These are the details which we had added. And we also have print option. If we want to provide this as a physical copy to the patient or something, we can provide a copy. If we want, we can copy this to the clipboard or we can copy it to the notes section so that it gets added on the prescription pad. So let's try copy to notes. Let's close this. As we can see, it is added under the notes section. Let's preview this once before ending this visit. This is how it will get added on the prescription for the patient. Let's finish the prescription for this patient. Let's click on end visit. Now the response will be visible for us under the patient dashboard too. So let's view that once. Let's click on the patient's option. This is the patient. Let's click on the patient name. Here we can see assessment response. Let's click on it. As we can see, this is today's visit. Under questionnaire, we'll be able to view all the details. As per the patient's response and the visit, depending upon the visits the patient has had, if we have filled the form, we'll be able to find it here. And this is how health assessment form can be used to assess the patient's health and to record the details on the patient data. Thank you for watching.